Hi, it's frogbobber for the second time, and I'm going to show you how to build and fly another plane, but this one is going to use wrapping paper because I think it looks better. So let's get that out of the way. So here's the wrapping paper. Start with it with the blank side. I like to use grids. It makes it, with a grid on the back, it makes it easier to cut along. And so you do it like that. Then what you do now is you have it laying like this, or vertical, so that, and then I'm going to do it this way for the camera. So it's like that. If you have a grid, measure out 5, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, squares by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares, so that it's about 5 by 8 inches. And so then what you do is you fold it over like this so that there's not any of the blank space, and you fold it in half. Remember to crease it and then unfold it like this. Now take this part and fold it over like this along the middle so that it won't touch it. And so it looks like that. Now, since we have this piece, we're going to do the same thing on the other side, making it so not very much, you don't see very much white. So then you fold it down until there's one square left, like this. It's kind of hard to see the square, but there's just one square left. And then you fold it like that. And make sure it's on the middle of your line. It's kind of hard to see the line. It's right there, but it's right on the line. Then what you do is you fold this over again like this. Crease it. Fold it back up. Repeat what you just did before by having the wrap paper flap down, but it's going to be harder to see this time. You have it like that and like that. So now it's like this, but with this little flap. Fold this flap up like this. Then fold it in half like this. And then what you do is you take it like this, the little triangle at the bottom. Look, I can stick my finger under it. And on the one side, it doesn't really matter which side first, you take it and you fold it along this, along the bottom. So it goes from this to this. And see how it's lined up with the bottom? Then you do the same on this side. But I think it's a lot easier to do it like this because then you have something to match it up to along the top and the bottom. And so then you fold it over and it should be the same. So there it is. I would start out folding it with regular pieces of paper. What you do is you get a piece of paper like as used in this. You cut it in half and that'll make it. And so then you throw it by holding it kind of like the other plane, like this. You hold it right here on, you get to the little flat part, the triangle. You put that on your fingers, then you move it up a little bit. And so you throw it like most paper airplanes. And there. You can also make little targets, and that's the plane.